Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get yellowfin tuna in Fisch step by step. Start by scouting offshore hotspots and plotting a plan for drift and trolling patterns. Keep gear checklist ready, including strong rods, reels, and braided line. Learn to read birds and bait schools and switch tactics between live bait and lures. Stay patient, adapt to signs of current and activity, and prioritize safety and conservation while targeting yellowfin. Set up a reliable rig with a medium-heavy rod and a high-capacity reel spooled with braided line to handle fast, powerful yellowfin. Attach a 60 to 80 lb fluorocarbon leader and heavy-duty swivel to reduce bite-offs and line twist. Bring a selection of lures, heavy jigs, and live bait rigs to test different presentations. Prioritize comfortable drag settings and secure rod holders so you can fight tuna effectively and safely. Start by trolling at higher speeds with skirted lures or ballyhoo near floating debris or weed lines where yellowfin gather. When birds or boils appear, pitch live bait directly into the frenzy to provoke explosive strikes. If jigging, use short, aggressive lifts with rapid falls to imitate wounded prey. Always watch the line and be ready for sudden runs, adjusting drag quickly while keeping the rod tip low to tire the tuna.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.